Recently, I discovered a new product that will prevent burn marks or flux going onto the electrostatic mat, and I no longer have to use a piece of paper or cardboard to insulate in between. This is called the Burn Mat Bronze. They have Burn Mat Gold as well. Now, they sell silicone mats online, which it's rated up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. My soldering iron is above 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it would simply just melt the silicone mat. This thing here is rated to 1,000 degrees Celsius, which is like 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, which I would nowhere get near that. And I will never have to worry about burning a piece of cardboard underneath and causing heat marks onto the mat and burn marks, and the flux will be contained straight into the mat. So if you're looking for a better mat, better product to solder your circuit boards or wires, Burn Mat by NAC, it's pretty cool. It's not a sponsored video, it's something I use now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.